Imagine within you, perched on the very same branch of your being, are two birds. One is constantly tasting, feeling, experiencing life's every fruit. The other simply watches, silent and untouched. This isn't poetry. It's an ancient Upanishadic truth about who you truly are. This profound teaching, known as Dva Suparna, the two birds, unveils a fundamental duality within human experience. One bird represents your individual soul, the times jiva, engaged in the world of actions, desires, and consequences. The other is the times atman, your higher self, the eternal witness, untouched by all that unfolds. Originating from the Mundaka and Shvetashvatara Upanishads, this allegory wasn't just philosophy, it was a map to spiritual liberation. Ancient sages taught that suffering arises when we mistakenly identify only with the experiencing bird, forgetting the ever-present, silent observer that is our true nature. Now, take a slow, gentle breath. Feel your body resting. Bring your awareness to your thoughts, your emotions, the sensations arising right now. Notice them, without judgment, without needing to change them. Simply observe. Feel the you that is watching these experiences unfold. This pure, quiet awareness, distinct from the thoughts and feelings themselves, is the witness bird. This simple act of witnessing reveals your inherent freedom. The experiencing bird may fly through storms and sunshine, but the witness remains serene, unchanging. You are not merely the sum of your experiences. You are the vast, silent sky in which all experiences appear and disappear. Rest in this stillness. Feel the quiet power of simply observing. This ancient wisdom invites you to remember the eternal within the transient, allowing true peace to emerge from within.